This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Missy Johnson. There is so much to love in this adorable stone and vinyl 2-story home. 3/4 bedrooms are possible, or fourth can be a bonus room, 2.5 baths, and great room concept west/a corner gas log fireplace. Main level offers an open and airy floor plan west/kitchen opening to great room, as well as a formal dining room that is currently used as an office. Kitchen appliances convey and are 2 years old. All bedrooms are on the second level, with fourth being used as a bonus/movie theater room. Nice rooms sizes. There is also a lovely, fenced, level backyard, and the patio has been extended west/built-in seating. There is a 2-car garage, extra storage, and a covered front porch. Water heater is 3 years old. Movie theater equipment/furniture do not convey, but some items for sale. Ask your agent for a list. Living room furn. For sale. For more information, review the details below or contact Missy Johnson at 865-584-4000.